Okay, let's go ahead and remove the radio. So start in the top right corner. Go ahead, there's a clip right here, one right here. Down. Side. And this cup holder we just popped out like that. And this trim you want to work your way around the edges. So just start here because it needs to come up first because it holds the other piece of trim in. So that's up and out of the way. Unplug your climate control, so this one just pinch down on both sides. Wiggle, that'll shimmy out of there. This one has a clip on the top middle. Use your plastic trim tool to push down. Okay, and this one here you want to work your way around the edges. So just use your plastic trim tool. There's a clip right here, one right here. Underside there's one. You can go ahead and undo this one. There's a little tab on the bottom. This one, push down for the cigarette lighter, slide that out of there. There we go. Then grab a 9/32 socket, go ahead and remove the 4 bolts holding it in. Grab hold of the radio, slide that out. Go ahead and unplug the antenna. So to do that, just grab a hold of it and pull on that. This wiring switch, it has a clip on each side. Squeeze together on the bottom middle, wiggle. And here's your part number information if you need it.